Morning, everybody. It's Miss Winfield here, ready for today's maths. So let's get started with a little rewind, okay? And what we're going to do, we are going to compare these problems using greater than, less than, and equal to. So let's have a look at this one. Okay, let me put a screen shade on so we don't get confused. Let's look at this one, 11 and 11. Can you compare those two numbers for me? Pause the video now. Okay, and if you're in school, you can show your teacher. Is 11 greater than 11? Is 11 less than 11? Or is 11 equal to 11? And if you're at home, you can show your grown-up as well. So, well done if you said 11 is equal to 11 because the values on both sides are the same. Let's have a go at this one. So we have got 17 and 20. Can you compare those two values for me? So is 17 greater than 20? Is 17 less than 20? Or is 17 equal to 20? Okay, so hopefully you all said 17 is less than 20, okay, because 20 is greater than 17. And let's look at the last one. We've got 19 and 13. What do you think? Is 19 greater than 13, less than 13, or equal to 13? So hopefully you all said 19 is greater than 13 because 19 is the greater number, the bigger number. So we've just had a practice of using our ability to compare numbers, okay? And that leads us really nicely onto what we're going to do today. So today we are going to compare numbers to 20 using the language of most and least. Okay, and we're going to retrieve old learning because we've done this before and we've just practiced our skills a moment ago. And why are we doing it? So that we can consolidate our understanding of comparing numbers. So to consolidate just means make it nice and secure in our brains, okay? So let's do our discover together. Our question is, which film got the most votes? So we've got a pictogram here of Class 1's favourite films. So we've got Dino Adventure, okay, and Space Fun. So I wonder if you can tell your grown-up, how many votes did Dino Adventure get? Okay, so Dino Adventure got 15 votes, okay. And how many did Space Fun get? How many votes did Space Fun get? Space Fun got 18 votes. So let's look back at our question. Which film got the most votes? Was it Dino Adventure or Space Fun? Can you tell somebody? So hopefully you said Space Fun got the most votes. It was the class favourite because 18 is greater than 15. So this film, Space Fun, got more votes. So can you use greater than and less than to compare these votes? I wonder if you can compare these votes by using those symbols. So I'm going to help you out a little bit. I can see Dino Adventure got 15 and Space Fun got 18 votes. So can you compare these two numbers? Is 15 greater than 18? Is 15 equal to 18? Or is 15 less than 18? So hopefully you said 15 is less. Oh dear, done that one wrong. 15 is less than 18 because 18 is greater than 15. Right then, so on this one, I'm going to start with Space Fun. And Space Fun got 18 votes and Dino Adventure got 15. So I've just swapped my numbers around and I wonder if you can compare them now. So 18 is greater than 15. Okay, so you've been able to look at a pictogram and take that information and compare it. That is super stuff. So let's have a look at our think together. It says, which colour got the most votes? So was it the orange cubes or was it the blue cubes? Now, we've got to remember what Ash was saying yesterday, and Ash was saying that you can't always just assume the longer line represents more. So I think we should check them. So can you count with me? Let me zoom in a little bit. There we go. Right, here we go. Let's count how many orange got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So orange got 12 votes, okay? Let's see how many votes blue got. Here we go, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So blue got 9 votes. So which colour got the most votes? So if blue got 9 votes and orange got 12, okay, and if we think most is down here and sort of least is this end, which colour got the most votes? Was it orange or blue? So hopefully you said orange got the most votes, okay, because 12 is a greater number. And now we're going to put on our purple Prove It glasses. Can you put them on? There we go. I've got my purple Prove It glasses on, and we are going to compare the number of votes using the correct symbols, okay? So how many votes did orange get? Can you tell me? Well done if you said 12. Okay, and how many votes did blue get? 9. Super stuff. So now let's compare them. Is 12 less than 9, equal to 9, or greater than 9? I'm going to prove it whilst I'm wearing my Prove It glasses. 12 is greater than 9. That's how I know that orange got the most votes, because 12 is greater than 9. Let's look at our next think together. Here we go. So, which colour got the least amount of votes? Now, we've not got to count them this time because the numbers are represented here. So, can you tell me how many votes did green get? Well done. Green got 15 votes. Okay. And how many votes did pink get? How many votes did pink get? Got 18 votes. Fabulous. So our question is, which colour got the least amount of votes? Okay, so not the most, the least amount of votes. Which colour got the least? Was it green or pink? Okay, so well done if you said green. Now I'm going to try and write green using the mouse, so my writing's not going to be super neat. There we go. Green got the least amount of votes, didn't it? And I've got a feeling we're going to be asked to prove it. So pop on those Prove It glasses. Here we go, let's prove it. Can you compare the number of votes using the correct symbol? So green got 15 votes, okay? And pink, I might write it in purple just because the pink's not very bright, and pink got 18 votes. So, can you choose the correct symbol? Is 15 greater than 18? Is 15 less than 18? Or is 15 equal to 18? What do you think? So 15 is less than 18 because 18 is greater than 15. Okay, so we've proved our answer. Now then, we have got a challenge now. It's challenge time. We're going to do it together. It says, which colour got the most votes? So can you tell me, please, how many votes did purple get? So all these children were asked to vote on their favourite colour. Okay, how many votes did purple get? Purple got 13 votes. Okay. How many votes did yellow get? Well, yellow got 13 votes too. So they got the same amount of votes. They got equal amounts of votes. Now then, let's put on those purple Prove It glasses. There we go, I'm ready. And we're going to compare the number of votes. So let me just move this up a little bit. There we go. So how many votes did purple get? Can you tell me, Damien? 13, thank you. And how many votes did yellow get? Charlie, can you tell me? Super, we got 13 as well. So now we're going to compare them. Is 13 less than 13? Well, I don't think so. That doesn't make much sense to me. Is 13 greater than 13? Well, no, because they're the same. Is 13 equal to 13? Yes, because both sides of the equal sign represent the same value. So that tried to trick us, but we didn't get tricked, did we? Because we are too clever. So it's going to be your turn, okay? And I will put this sheet onto Class Dojo for you to either print off at home, or you can edit it on your tablet and write on it, or you can just draw it out in your books. It's not a problem. So I'm just going to zoom in. There we go. It says, complete the number sentence, write greater than or less than. So it doesn't want the symbols, it wants you to write it. But if you say, oh, I don't know how to spell greater than, it's here. Okay, so you can copy it if it's the right decision. So, for example, 15 is than 13. Well, I know 15 is greater than. So in this space, I would write greater than. Number 2, complete the number sentences using symbols, less than or greater than. Okay, so this one, you can use the symbols, but when you get to question C, you're going to have to do those 2 important steps. Step 1, solve the problem. Step 2, compare. So you need to solve both sides before you can compare them. And number 3, circle all the numbers greater than 12. So out of this list, which numbers are greater than 12? Out of this list, which numbers are less than 15? Okay. Number 5, tick the greater number in each pair. So out of 15 and 18, which one is greater? Same with this question B and C. And then number 6, 12 is less than what? You could choose any number, okay? 12 is less than something. So make sure you get all of that work submitted onto Evidence Me so we can see it, okay? And we're going to be leaving some feedback, and we might say to you, we might like give you an extra challenge, or we might give you some support, or whatever it is that we think you need. So have a super Thursday, and I'll see you all soon.